In the age of AI, foldable screens, 1 terabyte storage, and lightning-fast 5G, there's one phone that stands in complete contrast to everything we call modern. A device that doesn't try to keep up, because it doesn't need to. This is the Nokia 8800d, and this is 2025. The Nokia 8800d isn't just a phone. It's a statement. A symbol of elegance and simplicity in a world drowning in complexity. And nearly 2 decades later, it still holds a strange power. The ability to turn heads and spark conversations. But why? What makes this relic from the past so magnetic, even today? Let's take a closer look. The first thing you notice is the build. Unlike today's glass sandwiches or plastic frames, the 8800d feels like luxury in your hand. A stainless steel body, premium weight, a sliding mechanism so smooth it's almost therapeutic. That click, satisfying, precise, unforgettable. Back in its day, this phone wasn't just a tool, it was a fashion statement. While the world was buying phones for features, Nokia created a device for those who wanted class. Even now, in 2025, it doesn't feel outdated, it feels iconic. Let's face it, smartphones today are incredible. They can do everything, but they also demand everything: your attention, your time, your energy. The Nokia 8800d offers the exact opposite. No social media, no infinite feeds, no buzzing notifications every 30 seconds, just calls, just texts, just peace. In a world addicted to scrolling, this phone feels like a breath of fresh air. It invites you to disconnect, to live in the real world, not just the digital one. And in 2025, that might just be the biggest luxury of all. Now, let's be honest. If you're looking for high performance, this phone isn't it. There's no app store, no multitasking. The camera, basic. Internet, technically yes, but you won't want to use it. But that's not the point. This phone doesn't try to be smart. It tries to be reliable, and it succeeds. The battery lasts for days, the call quality is excellent, and if you need a phone that just works, this is it. For many in 2025, the 8800d serves a new purpose: a minimalist second phone, a weekend device, a digital detox companion, or simply a nostalgic collectible. The Nokia 8800d represents more than just hardware. It represents a time when phones were tools, not distractions. When quality mattered more than specs. When communication was intentional, not constant. In a strange way, this phone has aged like fine wine. Not because it got better, but because the world around it got louder, faster, and more chaotic. And now, its calm, quiet presence feels more relevant than ever. So here we are, 2025. And the Nokia 8800d still makes sense. Not because of what it can do, but because of what it doesn't do. It's not trying to compete. It's not trying to impress. It simply exists. Elegant, reliable, iconic. In a world that's always chasing the next big thing, maybe going back to something timeless is the real revolution. Thanks for watching. If this video brought back memories, or made you think twice about what you really need in a phone, drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more stories from tech's past and present.